Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 21st, 2024. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of seven extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved three regular puzzles this afternoon. So there's a lot of puzzles for a day. Alright, first one. 3 stars Sudoku number 9632. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 38. No, again, 30. That's a lot for a 3 stars puzzle. 30. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 30. Should be a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle. I need to be faster than 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Let me see. How about 7 in this column? 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next on that column. Only two places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Need a 7 here. Let me think. 7. Need a 4. Need a 8. Need a 5. 5 in this column. Last column. 5 in that column. So the column 3. The only place left of 5 should be here. Need a 4 here. Then, in this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this column. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1, 3. Need a 3 here. 1, 3 and a 6. Interesting. How about the 4 in this row, 4 in the row below? So last row, the only place left with 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left with 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then let me see. Need a 4 here. Cannot continue with the 4. 2 and 8. Okay. How about need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Okay. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 3 in this big square could be here. Could be there. So we have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this last column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For them is the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. For them is the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So, need an 8 here, okay. Need a 3 there. 1 in a third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and the 6, we have a 1 now in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next, so in that column the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this third row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. So now we have 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 8. 2 and 8, let me mark those. Okay. And I need a 9 here. Cannot continue. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1, 1, and I need a 6, 6. Let me think. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6, 6. 6, 6, okay. How about? Need a 5 here. 5 there, okay. In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 5 in a row above, so that row, the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the first row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 supposed to be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 5. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 1. Then let me see 2, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, and look, we have 7 and 8 in this column. No 7 and 8 in this box. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. So 1 is left, should be the 2. 1 box left now in this second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row. Only place level 9 should be there. I need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. And I need a 9 there. Alright. 2 and the 8. 2, 8 and I need a 3 here. 7, 8, 2, 4. 2 and the 4. We already have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes and there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 4, okay. Then let me see. Let me see. Need a 6 there. How about in the 9, 2 and 9? Well, 2 and 9. Well, the 7 then. I'm thinking. 7 and 8. We already have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. Overlooked. Then let me see. 7. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. And we have a pair, the 6 and the 9 in this column, the 6 and the 9 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left, the 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 9 goes there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Okay, so 2 numbers left. In this big square, the 2 and 8 then. So 1 number left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 2 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, no, only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, the 8 goes and there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 3 goes there. And 2 numbers left. 2 and the 8. We have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 and the 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. The numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes and there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. Yeah. Let me give this a 0 stars. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Alright. So it again, and I like this one. Yes, I will do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other three puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.